Well, during this time that we've been urged to stay at home, many parents have been canceling their children's doctor's visits. But should they be? Well, with more on that topic, pediatrician Dr. Teresa Wee joins us this morning with today's KQ Health Tip. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Okay, this is something that we've been hearing a lot of. I want to get your opinion. Is this something that parents should be doing? Should we be canceling doctor's appointments right now?
That's the one message I really want to get across to everyone, especially for the babies and the younger children. We should not be canceling or postponing their well child visits as well as their vaccines.
Okay, and what vaccines are important right now? Are there specific ones we should be focused on?
Yeah, we want to make sure that we're on schedule for the whooping cough, the measles, the polio, because one of the collateral damage that can occur is we're going to see a rise of vaccine preventable diseases coming in. The statistics show that 70 to 80% of parents have been canceling their well child appointments during this pandemic. And so you can see that this is really going to cause a great deal of concerns in the future.
Right. But during this time, of course, parents, they want to stay healthy. They want to make sure their KQ are being healthy. Is there something that they should be doing differently when they do attend their doctor's appointments?
No, I think all of us pediatricians, for example, for many of us, we're just doing well child visits in the office. And now I would say 99% of the physicians are on telehealth. So I've been doing the sick visits on telehealth. We monitor our kids at the door. We check their temperature. We have strict sanitation after each child. We have social distancing in our waiting room. So it's really very, very safe in the majority of physician offices.
Okay, and also I've heard of a lot of doctors that are doing remote visits. Is that something that you recommend?
Yeah, so that's what I call the telehealth visit. It's
Okay.
sort of like a Skype visit. So, you know, every call that comes in, we screen it. And if it is a sick visit, I will do it via Skype. And so, like I said, many of the doctors are already doing that.
Okay, perfect. And during this time, of course, it can be very stressful on parents and KQ. Do you have any suggestions for, I guess, helping with emotions during this time?
I think with the entire family at home, parents trying to work from home, the mothers trying to do homeschooling, it is a very stressful time. And I just want parents to give us a call. We're in the office, we're available, because there have been an increase in domestic violence, depression. So I want families to know that pediatricians are here to help you, your entire family, get through this in the best way possible. So please give your doctor a call, or there are hotlines if things are coming to a head.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Teresa Wee. Always amazing tips in our KQ Talk segment. And we hope the Walk with the Doc can start again soon.
We're looking at the first Saturday of June, June 6th, Walk with the Doc at Central Oahu Regional Park near the tennis courts from 8 to 9 a.m.
Perfect. Okay, so it's on the schedule now. I'd love to hear that. All right, thank you so much, Dr. Teresa Wee, for joining us this morning.
Bye, Kelly.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Have
Bye-bye.
a great one.